And let's head over to meteorologist Jed Kristoff. Again, we're looking at gusty winds possible in the area and really the next couple of hours, right?
Yeah, and that's really, again, the main concern, along with the fact we have seaweed today and we have a lot of people trying to get outdoors. At the same time, we have some pretty rough weather as well. So that's the main concern. A strong cold front pushing through. Let's get right to it. Storm Team 2 Viper radar showing it off to our west and north, and you can see out ahead of it the squall line that we are watching really closely. This will be approaching the low country as we go through the next several hours. Already starting to see winds begin to increase from out of the south right now. There is a tornado warning down to the south and east of Macon. While I don't anticipate a tornado threat, a very high tornado threat by any means, I can't rule out a tornado, a quick spin up tornado as we get into those mid-morning hours. So we have to watch this closely. We'll be keeping a close eye on radar all morning long. Also, a current wind gust. We have a gust of 41 at the airport in North Charleston. So again, this is already verifying this morning. Southerly winds 35 to about 45 miles per hour, especially in those wind-prone locations. For example, the beaches, just because you have the entire Atlantic Ocean, no friction out over the ocean. So right along the immediate coastline, that's where we could see some of those top wind gusts. And by the way, when you get winds like this out over the open Atlantic for such a large area, and then additionally really strong wind gusts, well, that also creates some really rough ocean conditions as well, and that's what we're seeing right now on our beaches. 67 degrees outside, so most of us mid to upper 60s right now. Those winds really ramping up at this time, and that'll continue to be the case as our trough of low pressure here continues to dig into the southeastern United States. You're looking at water vapor satellite imagery with our heights overlaid. You notice these decreasing heights. That's the trough I just pointed out. That's our dip in the jet stream, and that aloft is what is helping to force these showers and thunderstorms, and we have some really strong winds aloft as well. If those showers and thunderstorms can tap into that as we go through the next several hours, that will lead to some potential for damaging wind gusts right ahead of the cold front, the squall line just off to our north and west. And this will be pushing through as we go through the mid-morning hours, likely clearing out closer to 3 o'clock. So again, the number one concern with this system is just the potential for wind damage. This will be straight line wind damage right along the squall line. Like I mentioned earlier, I can't rule out a tornado, but really our main concern out of this is the potential for some really gusty winds. So let's time it out. Again, we have a few showers ahead of the line. We get closer to the midday hour, so right around 9, 10 in the morning, it will begin to move into portions of our inland county areas. So we're watching it at that time. Right here, the squall line pushing through your 12 o'clock hour, but once we get closer to say 1, 2, it's offshore, a few lingering showers, but even those two eventually clear out. In fact, by 3, 4 o'clock, we're drying out here in the low country and things are looking much more favorable for the rest of the day. But we're also tracking much cooler weather as well, because look at Monday morning. We're at 38 degrees, so a drastic difference from near 70 today to into the mid to upper 30s by tomorrow morning, and then into the mid 50s for highs Monday afternoon, staying around 60 degrees for much of next week. A little bit cooler for the second half. Wednesday, our next best bet for impactful weather in the low country with scattered showers. Islands and beaches generally into the mid to upper 50s next week.